you so much for being a part of this show and giving your time, sir. So you have been serving the nation since a long time, and you have been a part of Indian Navy since a long time. So what does patriotism mean to you?
Yeah, so this is a question every time a lot of people ask. So whenever function, yeah. For me, like patriotism per se, it's not that you wear uniform and then you are inclined towards patriotism. Some occasional days like 15th August, 26th January, uh, it's only a representation. Those 2 days are pretty important days in our history, and it's of great significance for us. And super say अरे अभी patriotism उमड़ के आते हैं लोगों में. No, it's not correct. It's a representation of your patriotism throughout your life. So those 2 days are expressive. And we say that patriotism has to be 365 days. And I'm sure each one of us, both of us, you are there and I am here. You are in a different sector. You are a working professional. I'm a soldier and now I work with a corporate. So all of us and each individual who are born and brought up in this great country, each one of us are equally patriotic. The degree varies. You asked me what is patriotism for you, and that is for me. So patriotism to me is the progress of our great country, and that progress happens together from various sectors, various segments, various demographies, various age group of people, and together all of us, make a progressive leap for our country. If you see the history of our country, we are the most, bolte naam atiti devo bhava wale, but we have been hammered badly by all types of people, So that's why the patience level of us is at different level. ठीक है, population है, we are a developing nation. We are, people always portray the wrong side. Yes, politics are there. So many things are happening. So many things are there. But I'm 100% sure that bearing few odd elements, bearing few political reasons, otherwise, everyone who stays here, who are born and brought up here, who contribute in each way. जैसे आप ऑफिस जाते हो, मैं ऑफिस जाता हूँ. Someone is studying. Patriotism is not only फौजियों की जागीर नहीं है, it's not that कि फौजी है तो आप patriotic, nothing like that. Each one of us are patriotic, each one of us contribute, and yes, we are lucky that we are able to express it as a fauji. When I wear a uniform, when I go for a war, why I go for a war when the war happens is because I've been chosen for that. That's my profession. My profession is soldiering. So when it happens, I take that oath in academy and various other places throughout my career that I will kill for the nation. So die is a byproduct of kill. First oath we take, we will kill for the nation. And since we are the chosen one, why I say we are the chosen one? Because we go through this stringent selection policies and fitness policies. And the day we wear our stripes and uniform, we become the chosen one. We are there to represent all of you. As you बोलते ना 130 crore की जनता को, we are the face of you guys. So जब बोलते हैं लोग कि Indian soldiers are brave, that means Indians are brave. It's not the Indian soldiers. We are the front end, and rest all of you are the back ends. And without back end, front end never happens. And if the front end doesn't perform, that also showcases mental state as well as the thought process से लेके everything of the back end. So हम सब एक है, जो हमारा नारा है ना भारत का, हम सब एक है. All of us are doing our job. We are contributing to the great economy of this country. And though the progressive leap is not as what we expected, हमारे यहाँ democracy है तो lot of hurdles are there. Hurdles happen at every stages. Not to say that all of us know we are mature enough, right? So if 100 rupees is sanctioned somewhere and जिसके लिए sanction हुआ होता है उसके हाथ में 1 रुपया आता है, 99 rupees get filtered. 100 rupees अगर वो एंड यूजर के पास आएगा तो वी विल प्रॉस्पर एट अ रेट ऑफ x raised to infinity, you know, but वो नहीं होगा. But I'm sure someday with youth and with a lot of change in the thought process, that day will come soon, and that is what is patriotism. तो ये जो myth है ना कि patriotism मतलब यूनिफॉर्म पहन के 4 मार गया है 6 इसको मार, that is not patriotism. Patriotism is a very beautiful word. When the national anthem plays, the goosebumps you get when the tricolor flutters everywhere, Olympics हुआ या कहीं पे या कारगिल में जब टाइगर हिल पे, when you see that fluttering tricolor or when you hear that national anthem, the goosebump you get, that's patriotism. So this is the definition of patriotism. This differs from person to person, from time to time. You know, today I'm saying this, maybe 10 years hence when I'm a bit mature enough, like I'm 45 now, 55 is the definition of patriotism may change. The incidents which happen also define the degree of your understanding of patriotism. Ask someone who would have lost their dear ones in this current pandemic because of the lack of oxygen. For them, the definition of patriotism changes continuously, rapidly. You know, I know someone who lost someone very dear. He was a hardcore nationalist, मतलब देश के लिए कुछ भी करेगा type. And he lost someone very dear because of the lack of oxygen. पैसा है, सब कुछ है. Then the definition changed. तो यार क्या country है? I couldn't save him. उसके लिए definition changed. So yes, so the definition changes. हमारे लाइफ में जैसे जैसे incidents होते हैं उसको. Only one thing will never change, that is the goosebumps when you sing the national anthem and the goosebumps when you see that tricolor fluttering, you know. This remains constant. Rest are variables as far as we have.
So, sir, you have served since a long time. Would you like to share some stories or some of these?
So when you are in the armed forces, you know, like every day is different. When I say every day is different, because when you go to corporate job, like you know, like me, today we are in corporate job, हमें पता होता है कि क्या होने वाला है. कुछ emails होंगे, कुछ escalations होंगे, कहीं tender होगा, कहीं ये होगा, कहीं वो होगा. We know our defined set of job. At the most, you know, क्या होगा कि नहीं हुआ तो somebody will fire you कि निकल जाओ job से, or you will resign out of frustration. But armed forces में ऐसे नहीं. Every day is different. Every day is different. Every day is different. There is some terrorist encounter. There is some counter-insurgency. There is a war which is happening. There is a ship which has to go. नहीं जा पा रहा है. क्यों नहीं जा पा रहा है? Everybody is running. There is some, challenges which is happening. There is a terrorist attack which happened. There are some enemy sighting which has happened. Aircraft radar में आ गया. So every day is new day, and that probably keeps your josh high. So there are many lessons. See, when we pass out of academy, we are 22 years old. Okay, so when we are 22 years old, पहले hand holding होती है जितना academy में सिखाते हैं. जब पहला appointment मिलता है 23-24 पे, you are given a leadership role, junior leadership role straight away. कोई corporate जैसे कोई mentoring नहीं, इसको 2 साल बिठाओ coding के लिए, ये कोई ऐसे लफड़ा नहीं. You are the boss. Yeah, so anything happen, you're screwed, you know, like you have to answer. Now when you have to answer, सब लोग ना वो थर्ड पार्ट देखते हैं, अरे फौजी ऑफिसर है, गाड़ी से उतरता है, ये करता है, but you don't know the pressure which we go through, and that pressure, everyday pressure, keeps us agile, keeps us always on the toe. And many lessons. We have handled death. We have handled, you know, like when we were Kargil war वगैरह में जब थे, I was from the Navy side in Operation Talwar. When we go on the war, when we go, like to take the example of Kargil war, जब पाकिस्तानी ऊपर बैठे थे कारगिल में, we were knowing they are sitting on top. Position strong है, बंदूकें हैं, artillery सारे हैं. Still we are motivating our men नीचे से कि भैया जाओ ऊपर. Together we have to kill them. अब कौन से प्रोफेशन में ऐसे बोलते कि you are telling boss your chance of survival is only 90-10, and when you motivate your men to kill or die, that is a different aspect, you know? The biggest burden which we carry is that if some men, some colleague goes down in war, in the line of duty. So वो जो होता है ना, to handle that thing and करके ना, and his life is about to rig out him. That is the biggest burden which we carry throughout our life. So these are the important lessons. फिर जब हम देखते हैं ना ये सब, अभी when we are in that life, when we see around, लोग छोटे छोटे चीजों के लिए रोते हैं, for a small petty promotion से लेके, उनका लाइफ उतना ही है, मे बी अ ब्रेकअप, अ बॉयफ्रेंड किसी का दिल तोड़ दिया एंड और अ गर्लफ्रेंड किसी का, सो दे आर ओनली बॉदर्ड अबाउट दैट सर्कल. उनको लगता है मेरा दुनिया खत्म हो गया. नो, देयर इज अ बिगर वर्ल्ड आउट देयर. So when I speak to youngsters and when I tell people कि these are all phases, everyone has to go through all these personal spaces. इससे भी बड़ी दुनिया है. There are people who are ready to kill, there are people who are ready to die. There are people who are standing on the border continuously. Monotonous job बोलते हैं ना, पेट्रोलिंग ही कर रहे हैं, धूप नहीं, सर्दी नहीं, रेन नहीं, कुछ नहीं. And that is the life lesson every day you learn. And as I say, there is no bigger burden than seeing someone, तुम्हारे जो आसपास के लोग हैं, your colleagues, कुछ होने पे, ऐसे कुछ दुर्घटना होने पे या ये होने से, when this succumb to in front of you, इससे बड़ा burden कोई नहीं है लाइफ. And that's how you learn lots of lesson in life. तो अभी जैसे कोविड था, everyone would be panic, but if you see more or less जो फौजी होते हैं, बोलेगा ठीक है, हैंडल हो जाता है सिचुएशन, don't worry. 90% of the armed forces guy you will see like me only. ऐसे नहीं कि ये कोई तीर तलवार है, nothing like that. Our training has been such that each one of us would be like this. टेंशन लेने से या एग्रेसिव होने से या चिल्लाने से, टेम्पर लूज होने से कुछ नहीं होता है. You need to be practical, competent. बंदूक लेके you are not at the front, your men won't get motivated. Na? So as a young leader, you are at the front. When you are at the front, आपके लिए वो लोग जान दे देंगे, आपके लिए वो लोग जान ले लेंगे. As simple as that. And that leadership we have been taught right from our academy days. फौज में हमारा कैसे होता है कि if any fuck up is done by the junior, I take that responsibility as an officer. उनका बॉस होने से, ये गलती मेरे, since it has been done from my team, I stand responsible for that. And if anything great happens, I give the entire credit to the team, saying कि इन्होंने किया है. I'm just a facilitator. Important life lesson we learn. कि हमने डेथ देखा है ना, जब when you see death, उससे बड़ा कुछ नहीं होता लाइफ में. So when you are going for a war and chances of you coming back is only 90-10. We were in the ship, we were knowing when the ship was going to Karachi that if war happens, we were going for war. हमें ये पता था, we never knew whether we'll come back or not, but we were positive. So that attitude, to select someone for Fauj, they see your attitude and aptitude. And that is what they nurture in the Fauj. Throughout your career, they nurture that attitude and aptitude. तो फर्स्ट थिंग हम ना नहीं बोलते हैं किसको, कोई भी काम हो गई ना टुडे इन कॉर्पोरेटेड सीनियर पोजीशन पे भी पहले होता है बोलते ठीक है सर देखते हैं ना करके, rather than saying a blank no कि नहीं होगा मुझसे, I'm loaded or so if you see the approach of us, it would be ठीक है सर देखते हैं what happens करके. So when you view that window of देखते हैं बोले थे, I'll see, let's see, तो सामने वाले को भी ये होता है ना कि इसने ना नहीं बोला डायरेक्ट, ये बोला कि ठीक है, is giving me a ray of hope. And then of course if you analyze, अगर आप कर दोगे तो बहुत अच्छे, नहीं हुआ तो you can always say I've tried. This is all inculcated in the training in the academy. ना बोल ही नहीं सकता है.
The entire thing only changes, right? So here, like we crib about so small things that happen, but over there it's like a do and die situation.
Exactly. और वहाँ सब कैसे, there is no second, there is no runner up per se. It's only winner. Runner up होता नहीं. अगर runner up होता तो either you will die or you will be taken as prisoner of war or something. So this is the beautiful learning and mentoring which the armed forces does for you to be a great individual, uh, for both for your growth as well as the growth of your organization as well as the growth of this beautiful country. Hey, I was telling that फौज में the biggest thing is man management and time management. Because आपके अंदर 500-600 लोग फौजीज होते हैं, each one is different, each one comes from different demography. कोई पंजाब से, कोई केरला से, कोई बंगाल से, कोई यहाँ से. They are all together called फौजी.
So the last question, sir, is that one piece of advice or suggestion that you would want to give people or youngsters.
I would, I always love to give this suggestion to everyone who listens to me, irrespective of whether you are young or at any age, is that believe in you. अगर हम अपने आप पे बिलीव नहीं करेंगे ना, तो कोई किसी पे भरोसा नहीं रखेगा, and that is very very important in your life. See, life is beautiful. We have only one life. We are blessed to be human. That's why we are special. So when you are special, that means you are capable. So Sujata may be capable of something. I may be capable of something. Maybe the trade, something you are very, very strong. I may not even know that. Something I am so strong, you may not even know that. If you don't believe in you, वहीं पे failure और success होता है. So if you believe that I will succeed, so it is telling your subconscious mind that होगा. When you attract positiveness, positive attitude, तो बोलते हैं ना, आसपास सारी जो पॉजिटिव वाइब्स है, इट कम्स टू योर थॉट. और वही अगर आप नेगेटिव सोचोगे, कुछ भी करो, तो दुनिया में जितने भी नेगेटिव वाइब्स होंगे, एवरीथिंग विल कम टुगेदर एंड ऐड टू योर नेगेटिव्स, एंड इट विल बी अ बिग फेलियर. बीइंग अ मैराथन रनर, एंड पहले जब हम वो थॉट होता है ना कि यार मैं कर पाऊंगा या नहीं कर सकती, द डे यू से कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, यू विल नॉट डू. Well, it's huge. It requires commitment. The day you say yes, why not? I will try. मैं कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ. Work towards it. The process starts, and one fine day you are crossing that finish line. The same person 4 महीने पहले जो self doubt में था कि होगा नहीं होगा, and the same person is crossing that finish line. That leap of faith which you have taken is huge. So this is just one example. As marathon runner, and life में ऐसी होता है यार, so many things. In advice to all those people, everyone in fact would be listening is, we all are special, we all have a purpose for our life. इसलिए हम धरती पे पैदा हुए हैं ना, नहीं तो हम कई जानवर वगैरह बन के पैदा होते. तो though I don't believe much in spirituality and all, but my thing is that you are born for a purpose. नहीं तो आपका लाइफ वैसे होगा, पैदा हुआ, थोड़ा कुछ जिए और देन यू डाई वन डे. वो थोड़ा कुछ जिए को यू हैव टू मेक इट सिग्निफिकेंट.
Correct.
So that people tell about you, people tell about why a Vikram Batra, Captain Vikram Batra is remembered. He will be remembered for eternity. ये तो टाइगर हिल में जाके सब कुछ कर दिया था वहाँ. वो पर्पस होना चाहिए लाइफ का, है ना. So that is what my advice is. And this is what my advice I give all the time. वैसे.
Thank you, sir. So I think this was supposed to be the end.